Today we will be testing the bull bear power trend void indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
All right, as I said, today we will be testing the bull bear power trend void indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 786 indicators, with 319 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 20 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the bull and bear power trend void indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so this indicator has kind of a few different parts to it, a few different kind of components to it. But what we are looking for is, first and foremost, we are looking for the bars here to kind of break out of the center zone. So if I kind of zoom in here so that way we can see a tad bit better here. All right, so you can kind of see the center zone right here in green and red. And you see these moments right here where the histogram bars, or the bars themselves, these volume bars here, are embedded into this kind of center little zone right here between this green and this red. And so what we are looking for is when these bars break out of that zone, when the volume increases and they break out of that void. And so that's the void part of this indicator. Now, the next thing that we are looking for is going to be a confluence between the breakout of the bars and the color of this ribbon here. And so you can see that this ribbon here, if I kind of squeeze this back in a little bit there, you can see this ribbon here that goes from kind of a brown, kind of bronze type color there into a black color, and then into a blue color here. And so that's kind of the ribbon there that is giving us kind of the direction, and which, like I said, a confluence of direction into the trend. And so what we again are looking for is when the bars break out to the downside, we are looking for this ribbon to be in that bronze color, and that's going to be a signal to go short. When we get a breakout of the bars here to the top side, the green bars, we are looking for that ribbon to be blue. That's going to be a signal to go long. And so that is basically what we're looking for. I'm debating on whether or not to take this on each breakout. Yeah, we'll do it. So what we'll do is each breakout of these bars. And so we won't pay attention to the ribbon switching colors and then switching back like you can kind of see here. And so we're looking for just a breakout of the bars, and when the bars break out, we are looking for the ribbon to be either in the blue color on the top side or this bronze color on the downside for a long or a short. So hope that makes sense. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we're going to pick up is a short signal. Again, just kind of playing with this here, and it's kind of debating on how we were going to do this. And so you see that we get the breakout here to the top side, this green kind of breakout right here. But the ribbon here wasn't in the correct coloration there. And so we could have waited for this to then, the ribbon to then catch up as far as the color goes. That might be something we test in a future video. Let's see how we do it, see how it does doing it this way. So we get this break out to the downside, the bars break to the downside, and that ribbon is in the kind of brown bronze color right there. So those are the two lining up at the same time, which is how we are going to again test it this way. And you see that we get a really nice push to the downside there. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so then we pick up a long signal here on this side, and we get pretty much an immediate push to the upside there, which does come up and get us to our take profit there. Yes, it does come up and get us to our take profit. Looks like we're pretty close to the end of the year, so let's go ahead and try to finish this out. All right, so then we pick up another long right here on this one. We get pretty much an immediate pullback, a pushback to the upside, but isn't able to make it any higher than kind of the entry into it right here. And then we get a drop to the downside, which is going to stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, pick up a short right here on this one. We're able to get a nice push to the downside here on this long wick. That is enough to get us to our take profit. Looks like we're going to pick up another long. It's kind of hard to see what that ribbon is doing there. Kind of embedded into the middle of that. But it does appear as though it is in the bronze position right there. If not, at least on this one, it does appear to be in the bronze position. So we'll call that one a short right there. Doesn't look like either way would have got the win off of that. So it doesn't look like we're kind of skirting anything anyways. So let's go ahead and continue on. And that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. This is our Discord server. It's free to join. You're welcome to join, take advantage of the conversations in any of the channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our Patreons to take advantage of, where we are posting some advanced information for all the patrons, where we have, for example, charts like this. This Sasquatch, he is an awesome Forex prop trader. Is posting charts like this on a regular basis, where he's kind of marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, even sometimes where he is looking to enter into trades. So we'll have the entry, the take profit, the stop, hold, it'll kind of marked out for you there, and even sometimes a write-up on explaining what it is, what he's looking at, stuff like that. Does a really great job of kind of throwing out these thought experiments and stuff. Helps everybody really stay sharp and learn new things. Our admin Jay is doing a great job trading the futures market, putting up charts like this as well, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and where he is looking to take trades. Also marking up or writing out kind of exactly what it is that he's looking at, where his head is, and kind of why he is looking at the chart the way he is looking at the chart. So a lot of great information that we're putting out for all the patrons to take advantage of. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so back to our indicator here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 trades. So we have 5 trades all together, and we have the 1, 2, 3, and 4 winners. So that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. I wish it gave us more trades within the 1 year's time. I do think we might end up testing this another way because it did only give us 5 trades within the 1 year's time, and I feel like it has the advantage to give us a few more signals and possibly do so rather and still stay rather accurate. And so I think again we might give this one a try with just a few tweaks in the way we are looking for signals on this one. But for now, it is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.